We're in Port
Turn
Aransas
left onto
today,
North Allister Street.
doing some service, helping people out. This town has been just decimated. Not as bad as Rockport, but this whole area here was under water from the storm surge. Here's my co-pilot. This is Kevin. Hey, Kevin.
Hey guys.
Say hi.
Hey to everybody.
How's it going today?
It's going pretty good, Calvin. And I gotta agree with you. The destruction out here is devastating.
It's just amazing. These businesses. We're right downtown.
Continue on North Allister Street for 1 mile.
We're downtown. There's just all kinds of stuff that's stacked up in front of the businesses and so forth. But this is what it's like all the way through. We did see a lot of utility vehicles trying to get the power back on. I think there's a lot of places here that still is without power. Incredible. Just amazing. This is a popular spot right here. We've been here actually several times in the Shark. Now here's something you don't see every day. Here's a boat that floated in here in the storm surge. As you can see, more stuff. All these
Continue
businesses.
on South Allister Street for a half mile.
I guess we're continuing on South Allister Street. There's some power poles up here that you can see that are kind of leaning. Look at this place. Just kind of destroyed.
In a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Howard Boulevard.